everyone, I'm Charuta. Welcome back to Urja Wellness and Joy. Today I'm shooting angel card reading video for you all, and this video is really very special to me because for the reading purpose I'm going to use my own deck. Yes, my own deck. Alright, so I would like to show you my deck. Guys, this deck is unpublished. Okay, so I'm in the process of finalizing printers and designers. So if you have any contacts, please just call me or drop a message on my WhatsApp. Alright, so okay, so this is my unpublished deck, guys. I used to work with NSDL, and these are my old visiting cards, and what I have done is I've converted these visiting cards into my deck. Okay, so I would like to show you my deck. So the name of my deck is Numerology Angel Deck. Okay, so as you can see, there are numbers mentioned on each and every card. All right, so 1, 9, master numbers, angel numbers. Okay, yeah, okay. I would like to show you this number 79 or 97, 27, 27 or 72. Okay, angel master number 88. All right, so this is my deck, and for today's reading purpose I'm going to use this deck. All right, so let's start off. As usual, you got 3 piles. Okay, I'm going to shuffle cards in front of the camera, so I would like to give you a few moments to choose your pile. This is pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3. This is actually a green feather, but in the camera it's looking like a blue. Alright, so pile number 1, pile number 2, pile number 3. So guys, quickly close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and just ask angels what message you would like to give me now. I'm now ready to receive message from you. Which pile should I select? Alright, great. Now let's start off with the messages. All those who selected pile number 1, let me pull few cards for you. I'm gonna pull 3 cards. All right, so I'm just shuffling cards in front of the camera. Dear angels, dear universe, what message you would like to give to people who chose pile number 1? Can you please help me pull out right cards for them? 1, okay, 6, 2, wow, angel master number, and 3. Alright, I'm just gonna shuffle again. Don't want any confusion. And 3. Alright, 4, 5 and 4, 9. Alright, now let's check messages one by one. Okay, so number 6 is giving you a message that it is time for you to value your loved ones, your family members, your friends. Okay, it is important for you to take out some time for your family, or even if you're taking out time, ensure that you spend some quality time with your children, parents, friends. Okay, please do not take them for granted. Okay, it is important for you to express how much you love and care for them. Okay, also it is really good time if you would like to get into teaching or healing or counseling kind of a role. Okay, so those were the messages from number 6. Then second card was angel master number 9. Okay, so combination, sorry, 2 times 9, 3 times 9 and 4 times 9. All right, so you know, angels are actually blessing you. Okay, and they would like to tell you that you are now ready to grow, you are now ready to expand. Okay, so if you are working in a corporate sector, it's really good time for you to take up new responsibility. Okay, you know, you are now ready to you know, learn new things. Okay, grow at a next level. If you are into business, okay, again this is a very good time for I mean, angels are actually helping you to reach out to new people, you know, and they are helping you to expand your business. If you're a student, okay, angels are helping you to broaden your perspective. Angels are helping you to improve your concentration skills. Okay, your grasping ability. Okay, so this number 9 is amazing, you know, guys. And I mean, we all know the saying that, you know, jack of all and king of none. But when angel master number appears, okay, combination, double digit, triple digit, and four digit number 9, actually, you know, angels would like to tell you that you can become master of all. Okay, there is nothing that you can't learn or grasp. Okay, you are ready for it, very, very much ready for it. Okay, then you drew 4 and 9. So again, this card can be read as number 49 or number 94. Angels would like to tell you that you have big goals, okay, big desires, big ambitions, okay, and in order for them to achieve, okay, you need more discipline in life. You have to get little organized in your everyday life. Okay, so angels are actually giving you assurance that, okay, if you can just be little disciplined, ordered, you know, if you just can bring the energy of order, structure, and discipline, or if you can simply plan your activities properly, okay, you'll be able to achieve all your goals. You have got so much potential, okay, but you just need to be little organized, disciplined in everyday life. Okay, then number 4 and 5. So again, this card can be read as number 45 or number 54, meaning remains same. So so the combination of energy, combination of 4 and 5 would like to give you the message that you should know when to remain conventional and non-conventional, when to adapt conventional approach, when not to adapt conventional approach. Okay, you should know when you should know what is the word I'm looking for. See, you should know when to remain, kind of firm. Okay, that okay, no, these are my methods and I won't change. Okay, I know this works for me. But at the same time, life demands you to be flexible. But again, you should be smart enough to judge. You should be smart enough to understand when to follow conventional methods and when to follow non-conventional methods, when to take a firm stand that I won't change, and XYZ things are really working for us and working for me, and you should know if it is a time for you to change and adapt some new methods, techniques, tools, then you must flow with life. All right, so these were the messages for people who chose pile number 1. All those who selected pile number 2, let's pull a few cards for you. I'm gonna pull 3 cards. So angels, universe, can you please help me pull right cards for people who chose pile number 2, yellow feather. What message you would like to give to people who chose pile number 2, yellow feather. Here is the message for it. All right, 1 5. Okay, 3 9. I'm going to pull one more card for you. 5 8. All right, so these cards okay, so for example, first card number 4 and 8. Okay, so this card can be read as number 48 or number 84. Okay, meaning remains the same. Similarly, here is 15 and 51, 39 or 93, 58 or 85. All right, would like to tell you that whatever money that you're earning, you need to spend it wisely. Okay, or you need to invest wisely. Angels are actually guiding you, or in fact urging you to plan your to rather manage your finances wisely. Okay, there is a little scope to improve the way you're handling your money and managing your finances. I would like to talk about this card because again this is a combination of, there is a number 8, okay, and I do see angel number 88 here. Okay, so combination of 5 and 8. So angels would like to tell you that, you know, guys, if you would like to spend money, spend on life experiences. Okay, it will definitely pay off. Okay, you will learn a lot. Okay, so do not hesitate to spend money on travel, adventure, or any life experiences. Okay, do not hesitate to spend money on workshops. Okay, it is really good time for you to learn and grow. Then another message from number 48 is, if you remain, little organized, disciplined, okay, and meticulous in everyday life or in your work, okay, your capacity to earn money will go up. Okay, so you will earn more money. Okay, so it's angels are encouraging you to be more disciplined and more committed. Okay, so more committed, more disciplined you are towards your work, studies. Okay, definitely it will help you to earn more money, right? Then let's talk about combination of 1 and 5 and 3 and 9. Do not worry about marketing. Do not worry about whether people are appreciating you or not, whether they really understand your worth or not. Okay, do not worry about whether your services, whatever services that you're offering, the work that you're doing, whether it is reaching out to people or not, your clients and everything. Okay, because there is that's a very strong message from angels that your work will speak for yourself. Okay, if you do amazing work, if you are perfectionist, okay, if you if you're efficient, okay, it will reflect. Okay, and definitely people will appreciate you. And angels would like to highlight the importance of word of mouth. Okay, so angels would like to tell you that you just be focused on your work. Okay, and do not worry about marketing, or do not worry about how you are being perceived by others, your seniors, your teachers, your colleagues or bosses. Okay, your work is going to speak for you. Okay, everything else will be taken care of. You just need to focus on your work, and you just need to improve yourself. Okay, you need to be more efficient, you need to be more committed, right? Then combination of number 3 and 9. So if you have any challenges in people management, if you're confused about how to deal with different types of people, okay, then angels are encouraging you to rely on your creativity. Okay, you can come up with creative solutions to deal with different types of people. Okay, also if you're a teacher, okay, then you need to be little more creative in your work, the way you explain things, the way you present yourself. Okay, so angels would like you to adapt creativity in your work. It is very, very important. Okay, also it's really good time for you to I know we are under lockdown and everything, we cannot go out, but still virtually it is still possible. Angels are encouraging you to connect with new people, make new friends, try to understand their perspective. It will definitely help you. Okay, and if you are into arts or any kind of a creative related field like dancing, writing, painting, or storytelling, okay, angels are assuring you that you're going to reach out in near future. You're going to reach out to new people, okay, and they're going to appreciate your work. So those were the messages for you. All those who selected pile number 3, I'm shuffling cards for you. Angels, help me pull out right cards for people who chose red feather, pile number 3. What messages you would like to give to people who chose pile number 3, red feather, card number 1 and 3. Okay, combination of 1 and 3. You have 2 and 5, Oh wow, and angel number 707. Okay, amazing. I would like to start off with angel number combination of 7 and 0. So angels would like to tell you that guys, you're on a right path, very much on right path. If you've been wondering whether whatever I'm doing is right or not, or whether I'm right, or whether I'm on the right path or not, this is a clear sign and clear go ahead message from angels that please keep doing whatever you're doing. You are very much on right path. All right. Also angels are appreciating your work. Okay, they are saying you're doing a wonderful job. Okay, and angels have been angels are actually are very happy to see you grow. Okay, you have been growing personally, spiritually. All right, and they are very happy to see you grow and evolve. Okay, personally and spiritually. And another message from this combination is that it is a good time for you to study spirituality. Yeah, you do understand, but definitely if you would like to if you would like to understand concepts in detail, then definitely it is a really good time for you to enroll for workshops, or you can read books, you can watch videos. Just keep asking angels to show you what's the word I'm looking for. Ask angels to help you with right resources. Okay, it could be book, it could be an article, or it could be a video, anything. Okay, just ask that angels what article you would like, what kind of articles you would like me to read, what kind of videos you would like me to watch. Okay, help guide me to right channel, guide me to right people, guide me to right books. Okay, fine. Your intuitions are quite strong. I'm talking about a combination of 1 and 3. Okay, so this card can be read as number 13 or number 31. Meaning remains same. So your intuitions are quite strong. Okay, angels are giving you lots of ideas through your thoughts and intuitions, or through your feelings. It's time for you to trust them. Okay, somewhere you do not trust your own self. Okay, so it is time for you to trust your own ideas. Okay, and just stand up for yourself. Okay, do not get affected by people around you, and do not let others dominate you. Okay, you are very creative person. Okay, and you can come up with amazing, unique solutions using your creativity. It's time for you to actually do that. Okay, so that's the reason this number popped up. Okay, number 31 or number 13. Okay, so please make necessary changes. Just be more confident, guys. Okay, you are blessed with creativity. Now let's talk about number 2 and 5. Again, this card can be read as number 25 or number 52. So angels would like to tell you that if you want to achieve anything that you have in your mind, any goals with respect to health, relationships, career goals, studies, okay, whatever you have that in your mind currently, if you would like to achieve it, there are only two fundas that would work. Okay, first of all, you need to learn how to be more diplomatic. Okay, it's not a really good time for you to confront, okay, with people around you. It's really if you want to achieve success, you need to learn diplomacy. And the second funda is how to flow with life. Do not unnecessarily resist changes. Do not be too headstrong. Okay, you should stay open-minded. Okay, and understand how others are thinking, and try to understand their perspective. Okay, and don't be too rigid. All right, stay open for new learnings. Okay, so it's really good time for you to read new books, or watch new videos, or follow new people which you would normally not. All right, so yeah, that's the strong message from number 2 and 5, that if you want to be successful, you have to follow these two fundas in life. Okay, fine. So these were the messages for you all, those who selected pile number 3.